Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, I want to show you how to create this very simple alien incubators. So basically, some kind of Voronoi space, and then you kind of um, turn things into edge, and then some part actually become this kind of alien things. It's actually very simple to create. I made this earlier, or actually last night before I went to bed. Um, so yeah, with sphere chalk, in order to make like that kind of Voronoi shape and structure, you have something called script node light, and script node light is almost like a hidden gems if you never know about it. Um, this node have a lot of templates, and one of them is Voronoi 3D, and of course this node does everything basically. So I call this alien incubators. And okay, the original shape can be a box, but can be anything. I'm just gonna be using a box. Ideally, I want to have this box and then kind of filled up with just random points. And for that, we can probably use something like vector p. You can also use random points, but vector p is it's quite nice. So it's basically looking like this, just bunch of points, and we have of course our box shape. So let's see if I can kind of make this a little bit better. So this is the size of box, and this is the points that can be randomized, and I can remove the distance to remove the points. So that's kind of nice. I wish that the box can be scaled. But anyway, for now, we can use this vector p and the box to build our Voronoi. So there you go, we got our Voronoi. And this is actually pretty much done, right? But unless, so you can have this and then you can kind of subdivide it, you get this shape. But if you want to have just the edge, you can of course do that as well. You basically kind of turn all of this face into edge. So you have a lot of this different geometry, and you just turn the edge into polygon edge. So you need to polygon to edge. I forgot what it's called. Polygon to edge. Polygon to edges. Okay, so we have polygon here. We can turn on unique edges, and this output should be edge. Okay, and we don't shrink. So yeah, this is getting there. We just need to have, if you know this, Blender already have modifier that turn edge into geometry, this skin modifier. And it shouldn't froze. Maybe, oh, actually, I know why. It's a little bit complicated if you just turn it into skin. You need to use something like, maybe like polygon boom to separate all the edges. So that's what I did on the other blend. So let me create another blender. So this one's still working hard. Somewhat last night I managed to do this without any hiccup. So okay, so this is our box. Okay, randomized points goes into Voronoi. Okay, there is a remove doubles and polygon to edge. I have icosphere. Okay, all right. Let's see. So I have removed double. So this one, oh, okay, this one is done. Let's delete this. Don't use that. We need to use remove doubles and skin measure, and then there's this polygon to edge. Okay, I need to remove double first. Remove doubles based on the distance, and this result can go there, and then the polygon goes in here. So we have control over, so we can remove doubles. Okay, so we can have try less of the line first, and then at the end we have skin measure, so vertices and edges, and then simply update. Okay, we have something now. It's a lot faster, right? It's cleaner as well. All right, that's nice and clean and pretty fast. That's what I want. And this egg, this alien egg can goes in. What shall we put in it? Maybe some kind of procedural creatures, maybe. We can have another of these. This one. It's gonna delete this. So this, before we remove double, I want to have the original shape. I can perhaps just smooth it a couple of times. Looks very nice, and then subdivide. And this guy should be smooth shade. Okay, so that's exactly what I want my alien eggs looking. And of course, this is procedural. You can always randomize. You can randomize the seed and get a different result, and actually remove distance, so we have something that's a little bit more natural. It's not just all squares. So I think I'm pretty happy with this. Let's randomize. Oh, look at that, the zebra alien eggs. Yep. So frame goes into the seed. Oh, cannot. All right. In this case, I cannot plug frame into the seed. Okay, and I just need to change it over here. But I can always like randomize input over here and further randomize the Voronoi. So maybe not too much randomization there. Remove distance smaller. So you get the idea. If it's too far, the egg's shape is gonna look pretty weird. But not too. If it's not too much, it looks kind of neat. It's almost like okay, we have this shape of the box, or it can be any shape, and then you scatter some points inside it, and then each points become this kind of alien looking shape. And then you can also displace it, of course. Display, so it's kind of jumble up. And I can just export this as AR. But make sure everything needs to be a polygon first. So I'm gonna save this. This is like I said, this is very, very simple. So alien incubator. If I'm happy with this, normally I just select all and then F3 convert to mesh, and everything's gonna be a mesh, and then delete everything. It would be nicer if you just apply a smart UV or something, but file export GLTF. USDZ alien incubators, save, and then I jump into, oh, what is this? Desktop USDZ convert. That's only like around 7 megabyte, and because this guy doesn't have material or USDZ, it looks pink. If I shall go back and apply a smart UV, this might take a while. For this kind of thing, maybe you can just apply like spherical or box projection, but that's done. And look at this, apply material, apply different material. For the egg, I want to have something that's really metallic, bit of roughness, and this cage maybe green. File, export GLTF, save as different version, go back, USDZ convert, and in a few seconds we should have our new GLTF. Drag and drop. And there you go, some kind of alien incubators with alien eggs. You know what I want to do with the eggs? If I use Eevee and properly give it a material, we don't have it yet, but I kind of inspired by a game, what is it, Death Stranding. So you can have a bit, if we have subsurface scattering for this egg, it's gonna look so much more interesting. Oh, we gotta turn off the metallic. Okay. Metallic. So, yep. There we go. And imagine if you put something inside this egg. It's gonna look so interesting. I'm gonna displace it the opposite way, so right. Put some babies maybe inside it or something. So it's some alien. I want to make some kind of alien creatures, procedural alien creatures, and then put it inside of this eggs. Oh. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think, and yeah, maybe you have more ideas. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.